Welcome to Boom Boom, where everything collapses with style.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, the building came down just like in an action movie, but the craziest part was the ending. The moment it collapsed, a burst of fire shot out from the base, like someone planted an explosive for a dramatic bonus ending. Gave me goosebumps for real. Wait, who gave the order to bring that warehouse down like that? It collapsed with a huge boom, totally squashed flat like someone just flipped a giant frying pan on it. I didn't know whether to gasp or laugh, it was that shocking. Holy crap, those two massive cooling towers just got blasted and crumbled like two banana trees in a storm. It was weirdly satisfying, came down so clean, like someone timed every millisecond of the collapse. Damn, the moment that building went down, it kicked up a whole cloud of dust like the apocalypse just hit. You couldn't see a thing, just thick white smoke everywhere, like someone dropped a bomb full of flour in the middle of the city. It was hard to breathe just watching it. That was oddly satisfying to watch. The excavator just knocked out those support columns one by one like pulling the legs off a folding table, and then boom, the whole building collapsed neatly like it was meant to do that. Demolition with style. Man, that was a feast for the eyes. Two massive buildings, standing tall, then boom boom, they came down one after the other like giant dominoes. The dust clouds rolled up so beautifully, it looked like a perfectly choreographed scene. Loud, dramatic, and oddly mesmerizing. Wow, 3 buildings went down back to back, boom boom boom, collapsing like giant dominoes. Dust everywhere, felt like watching a Hollywood movie. They blew up an entire apartment building, came crashing down with a bang, dust flying like a sandstorm. Crazy to watch but kinda satisfying too. Oh no, it was launching fine, then suddenly malfunctioned, nosedived, and exploded with a massive boom. It felt like a sci-fi movie fail scene, heart-stopping. They blew up a whole building right in the middle of the city, one loud boom and it collapsed clean. Dust filled the air, anyone nearby probably froze in shock. Ever seen 12 buildings fall at once? This isn't a movie, it's real. Boom boom boom. The whole block vanished in under 10 seconds. Dust clouds rose like the end of the world. Gave me chills just watching it. Two massive cooling towers went boom, collapsed perfectly like someone hit a remote. The fall was so smooth, it looked like cinematic slow-mo, totally satisfying to watch. Old power plant getting torn down, the chimney, standing tall for decades, took boom, boom, boom before crashing down like a giant tree. Sad, but oddly satisfying. Absolutely stunning. The building demolition looked more like a fireworks show than an explosion. Puffs of white smoke and clouds of red, blue, and yellow dust made it feel like an art piece. That's what you call a beautiful breakdown.